Good morning, students. Today we read chapter 15, that is Knowledge Power. Let's read the chapter. How does one become a genius? It is very simple because genius is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. People who are called learned or knowledgeable did not become so all of a sudden. They developed serious and regular study habits when they were young. The former president, Dr. Abdul Kalam, often said, "The future is seen in young minds." One third Indians, who are the school children, the movers of society. Prosperity and development are the end results of knowledge and education. Students, a genius is someone with exceptional intelligence. जीनियस बनने के लिए नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है. सडनली कोई भी नॉलेजेबल नहीं बनता. इट नीड्स रेगुलर स्टडी हैबिट्स फ्रॉम द वेरी यंग एज. Our former president, Dr. Abdul Kalam, said, "The future is seen in young minds. They are the movers of society." So, success and development are the final results of knowledge and education. There are various ways which, if followed, can help in developing good study habits. There are many ways by which one can develop good study habits. Number one is cultivating interest and curiosity for learning, which would come if one develops a goal in life. Those who have a goal shall automatically get interested in acquiring knowledge that will help him or her achieve the desired goal. So, students, cultivating interest and curiosity for learning. First of all, to achieve success, we should set a goal in our mind. Then only we can be focused to acquire knowledge and hence do well with great interest. Next is being attentive, implies making our mind alert and concentrate our thought process. Our mind is restless and keeps wavering in past or future. Thus, we must find ways that our mind is focused on the present. It should remain calm and attentive, enabling us to concentrate and learn. So, next is be attentive. Be attentive means one should be alert and concentrate on the goal. One should remain calm and focused under all circumstances and gain the maximum knowledge. Next is avoiding distractions around is very important. The environment around us is full of distractions. At times, it becomes difficult to listen, read, or learn with attention. However, one has to remember that whatever is learned with attention is remembered. A good posture, a quiet place, a well lit room are some of the ways and means to study attentively. So, students, avoiding distraction around is another important factor which should be kept in mind. जो हमारे आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट है वो हमें डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. कई बार तो ऐसा होता है कि हम प्रॉपरली अटेंशन ही नहीं दे पाते हैं अपनी रीडिंग और लर्निंग को. सो वन मस्ट सिट इन अ क्वाइट प्लेस in a good posture and concentrate on study. Joyful learning means we have to enjoy learning. We acquire and retain better when we do our studies with interest. Developing love for reading is a must, as inculcating good reading habits makes one truly knowledgeable. Good reading helps to improve our vocabulary and knowledge, focus and vision. It relaxes our mind, keeps us alert, and enables us to make the best use of libraries. A person who does not read is no better than a person who cannot read. So, Joyful learning and developing love for reading means we have to enjoy the learning and not supposed to feel burdened. We have to do learning with interest for better retention, vocabulary, knowledge, and vision. So, a person who does not read is no better than a person who is illiterate, that is, cannot read. So, if you become a regular student, you shall be happy and satisfied with your progress. This would bring joy not only to you but also to your teachers, parents, and friends. Finally, you shall be able to achieve your goal in life. So, students, once you become a regular student, you shall be happy and satisfied with your work. It would bring joy not only to you, but to your teachers, parents, and friends. And it also helps you to achieve success in life. Remember that an alert posture creates an alert mind. Be alert. So remember, an alert posture creates an alert mind. So always be alert, both physically and mentally. Next is attentive listening helps in learning. Listen. So, students, listen carefully and retain. What you want to read is your decision. Decide. So, students, decide to read more and more. It enhances your knowledge. Be involved as active involvement enhances learning. Get involved. So, students, get involved, indulge yourself in learning more and new. So, moral of the story is develop study power in your life to become more powerful, learned, and knowledgeable. So, it means to become successful in life, we should develop study power in our life and diligently follow it. Thanks and have a nice day.